Hey everybody, we have a new kit for you, and it's our slim leather pouches in 4 sizes. I'm Arthur with Innovative Journaling, and I'm going to tell you about all 4 sizes. And so this video will serve for all 4 of the different products because we're doing 1 size per product. So let's get started here. So what we do is we have the small, the medium, the large, and the extra large. So they come with either a stud closure, which is just very simple on and off like this. And here's how it looks, when it's done. You make this yourself, and it is really easy. Totally good for grandkids and kids, older kids. So you can get it with the stud closure like this, or the snap closure like this. If you get it with the snap closure, no worries. We put that snap on for you. So you don't have to worry about that or have any special tools for it. The stud, we'll show you how to screw this on yourself. Okay, so let's cover the sizes first, and then I'm going to show you what's in the kit. So here's our small size, and it measures 7 by 4.5, and then you can see how the depth of it, which is about 3/4 of an inch or 7/8 of an inch. And here it is, right here. That's the small size. The medium size is 8 inches wide and 6 inches high. And once again, same thing. The large size here is 9.5 wide, 7.5 high. It's like this. And the extra large size here is 14 wide by 11 high. So I'm going to talk a little bit about this size because you probably are wondering, what could I carry my laptop in? Well, here is a 13-inch MacBook Pro. Now, this is an oldie, okay? So it's a little bigger than the new ones. But here, check it out. It slides in just that easily. And there you go, okay? And that's it. So can you put more stuff in there? Absolutely. Look at that. You could fit a lot more stuff in there. I don't know if you can see that all the way down, but you could put a whole bunch of other stuff in there for this 11 by 14 size or 14 by 11 size. Okay, now, what's in the kit? Okay, here is the kit for the large one. So you can see, compare the finished product with the actual kit. And all you've got to do, you get the pre-punched kit for you. You get the all the holes are pre-punched, 2 threads, 1 needle, and this needle is totally safe. It's not gonna, look at that. See? It's not gonna poke you and hurt you really bad unless you really force it in you. So it's great for kids, older kids, by the way. And you get your stud with a washer on it. Now, if you get the snap closure, you're not going to get the stud. We'll just put the snaps on for you. And that's kind of it. Then you just, you do it like this, and we show you how to sew it up. And that's it. So this is what you get with the kit. And once again, here are the 4 sizes. Large, or extra large, large, medium, and small. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. You're going to love the kit. This kit is so easy to make. In fact, the small one you can make in like about 5 minutes, believe it or not. With this kit, you're going to get video instructions on how to make it. And then we have our weekly Wednesday workshops where we mostly make journals. But if you want to look at making a kit, we can do that too. Our monthly Make It With Arthur workshops are 2 hours long, and we do whatever you want. So if you want to make your pouch kit, if you got a journal kit you want us to make, along with you, we do that too. All right, that's it. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye.